Ukhona mehluko yini manje njalo artist nangale kuthi okay sengimanager i-project?
Yeah, umehluko ukhona because it's subject specific. Because if you have to read the contracts, contract differ in business, there are business terms that are used, and even in music and in arts, so you also be able to read the contract, the statutes, and interpret them accordingly. Because some artists are and now when they are given those contracts, somebody has to be there to make them understand the fine print. So that's where I come in as a manager. My role is to ensure the artist in the process. The artist understands if he signed a contract with somebody, he understands the details of the contract and what is expected of him or her.